I've been here several times before and I'm super excited. Even though I may know a majority of the curriculum or majority of the speeches, I'm excited to make new relationships. One of the most important things that you can do is meet new individuals, because when you meet new individuals, now you can spar with each other and you can learn things that they know, vice versa. And that's where a lot of the value comes from me. Not so much the things that I learn, but the connections that I make and the transactions that we take.
Hello, man.
My brother.
Big fan, dude. Big fan.
What's your name, brother?
Michael.
Michael, my brother. Nice to meet you, man.
Amazon FBA.
Yeah, I'm like, yo, this is my guy killing it, man. I don't know, every time we come out to Florida, we miss him. Zig Ziglar, one of the greatest marketers alive, said that when the market zigs, you zag. So if you want results that others are not having, you need to do things that others are not doing, and a lot of people are not getting in the room. Anything worth having is worth fighting for, so the harder the fight, the more stuff you have to go through, usually the better the result that you're gonna get. Big money, that hot stuff over there. We gotta get it, it's about to be showtime. Super excited. The awards mean everything to me. If you guys know my past, know my history, no degree, no diploma. So I take accolades very, very seriously. This is a determination that you can do anything that you focus on, because where you're currently at in your current situation is not your final destination. It doesn't matter what today looks like, because you can paint what tomorrow looks like. So let's get it. Like I said, anything and everything that you do, you need to do it the same. So always find ways that you can optimize what you're doing so you can get better results, and always exhaust it so you can get the maximum amount of exposure and the maximum amount of value out of it.